Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Bitchert is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.35% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which really is very huge. BRISE fundamentally has an essentially complete market cap of $176,489,107 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,498,501, or so they generally thought. This in a real sense makes Bitchert genuinely positioning at 173 in the digital currency market in an especially significant manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Bitchert cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Bitchert for the most part be exceptionally worth in 2023 in a fundamentally huge manner? Is Bitchert a generally excellent speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Will BRISE cost essentially outperform its unequaled sort of high in an unobtrusive manner? These truly are our Bitchert cost expectations for BRISE's future. So truly is Bitchert an excellent venture or worth purchasing in 2023, or so they by and large thought. Bitchert value expectation 2023 in an especially significant way. As per the Bitchert conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the BRISE cost truly is supposed to sort of cross a kind of normal value level of $0. The normal especially least value worth of Bitchert toward the finish of the very current year ought to sort of be $0, showing how might BRISE cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high in a quite enormous manner. Besides, BRISE can basically arrive at a greatest value level of $0 a kind of significant manner. Bitchert value expectation April 2023. Concerning April 2023, Bitchert cost by and large is gauged to generally arrive at a scarcely the most reduced cost of $0, or so they in every practical sense thought. The BRISE cost could in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $0, the really normal expected cost around $0. Bitchert value estimate May 2023. For May 2023, the cost of Bitchert for the most part is fundamentally anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0 and essentially least of $0, which by and large is very huge. Bitchert value forecast June 2023. The cost of Bitchert sort of is truly anticipated to reach at a kind of least worth of $0 June 2023, or so they thought. The BRISE cost could sort of arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0, the truly normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, which essentially is genuinely critical. Bitchert value expectation July 2023. The cost of Bitchert especially is truly anticipated to by and large reach at a really least worth of $0 July 2023 in a sort of enormous way. The BRISE cost could sort of arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0, the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, which basically is very critical. Bitchert value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the most extreme cost for Bitchert could stretch around $0, so these fundamentally are our Bitchert cost expectations for BRISE's future. So essentially is Bitchert in every practical sense wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of BRISE in August 2023 for the most part is $0, a sort of typical cost of $0 in exceptionally significant manner. Bitchert value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitchert cost explicitly is estimate to arrive at an in every practical sense least cost of $0, which all things considered is very huge. The BRISE cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0, the by and large normal expected cost around $0, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. BRISE value estimate October 2023. The Bitchert conjecture for October 2023 expects that the BRISE may in a real sense arrive at a greatest worth of $0, a base cost of around $0, which certainly shows that besides BRISE can really arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0, or so they generally thought. Discussing the fundamentally normal value BRISE can in a real sense stretch around $0 October, which most certainly is very huge. BRISE value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Bitchert for the most part is gauged to explicitly be at around an extremely least worth of $0, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Bitchert value worth can generally arrive at a limit of $0, the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0 USD in a sort of significant way. Bitchert value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Bitchert sort of is supposed to in every practical sense be at around an extremely least of $0, a really significant manner. Bitchert cost can arrive at an especially limit of $0, the truly normal cost of $0 USD. So starting around the 20th of April 2023, Bitchert fundamentally is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.35% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in a by and large significant manner. Bitchert essentially passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been for the most part diminished by 3.46% in its extremely current worth. Most certainly further appearance how the BRISE cost could by and large arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $0, the especially normal expected cost around $0. Or so they fundamentally thought. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the really current market cap of the BRISE with yesterday's, you can essentially see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitchert really is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins. The BRISE generally is down to nearly 0.99% in the genuinely most recent 7 days. So Bitchert certainly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The coin most certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for truly past beautiful few days. The coin could really have serious areas of strength for genuinely, however. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource and transient in an unobtrusive manner. Bitchert Value Gauge 2023. What will for the most part be Bitchert worth in 2023, or so they explicitly thought. The BRISE cost certainly is going to generally arrive at a very most extreme degree of $0, most certainly least cost of $0, the finish of 2023, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Does Bitchert certainly have a future in a truly significant manner? As far as value, Bitchert sort of has a remarkable sort of potential to generally arrive at new levels. Especially further appearance how especially is Bitchert an excellent speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. It most certainly is gauged that BRISE will increment in esteem, showing how Bitchert value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the greatest cost for Bitchert could basically stretch around $0. So these really are our Bitchert cost expectations for BRISE as future. So especially is Bitchert a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner, as per essentially unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Bitchert can truly raise a ruckus around town cost of $0 2030 in an especially significant manner. Is Bitchert exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they explicitly thought. Bitchert's worth essentially is supposed to really keep on extending, as deficiency will in general especially energize cost rise. If it's not too much trouble, note, there sort of is a gamble to any speculation, which in a real sense shows that Bitchert value forecast June 2023. The cost of Bitchert especially is explicitly anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $0 June 2023. Very put resources into what you can sort of achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the kind of greatest examination essentially conceivable in an unpretentious manner.